Hey guys, this is Matana and here are some ollies. I wouldn't call it a pretty good solid ollie or even a bone ollie, but I would take it. As you can see, all four wheels are off the ground, so I would take it as an ollie. This is my favorite one. I think I learned it much more easier than the ollie, the shove it. And here, this is a pop shove it. That's about it, guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this one.